this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel, and it's skincare time again. I hope you're enjoying all the videos that I'm showing you, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel now, subscribe. And also press the bell icon so that you get a notification every time I upload a video. Again, I just want to say all the skincare things that I'm showing are my personal things that I do at home. And yes, I do recommend, especially when brides come to me and if I feel that there is something that they'll really help, like that they'll really benefit out of, I do recommend it to them. That's a personal thing that whether they follow it or not. And of course, do I need to say that if you have sensitive skin, please think before you apply anything on your face. Also, my standard thing to say to everyone is that what works for me might not work for you. However, I feel that if we can just give about 15-20 minutes to our skin every other day, it's only going to bless us in the long time. It's only when we get older that we realize that, oh my god, I wish I had started doing this earlier. And I feel pores, open pores is a very common problem. And I'm not saying that I really have open pores, but then that again goes down to the amount of care I take for my skin. So in fact, this is one thing that you will see me do at least twice a week, maybe even thrice, what I'm going to apply on my skin. However, application of ice cubes on my skin is one thing that I do all the time. So that's an ice cube wrapped in tissue and all over my skin, on my under eyes. I think it instantly perks up the skin and it, the blood flow really increases and the skin gets like a nice glow to it. It also, if you have a lot of open pores, it will temporarily shut it. It controls oiliness to a certain extent as well, right? Yes, I don't recommend that you should apply ice directly to your skin because sometimes you can end up making it too red. So, and I always like to generously dab this on my eye bags because I think my eye bags are my biggest problem, and eye bags is something that instantly makes you look exhausted and tired in spite of sleeping enough. Like, there are a lot of times when people ask me, you haven't slept, right? It's like, this is something that I have genetically, and even if I stay off salt and though I don't even drink too much, I always have them. So it's just that application of ice just makes them visibly better, and of course my skin just kind of looks so much perkier and nicer every time I've applied ice cube on it. So my most favorite thing to do at home is to apply tomato to my skin. I just feel so good every time I apply this vegetable on my face. Tomato has anti-aging benefits to it. Applying it regularly on your skin also helps you build collagen, which in result makes your skin a lot more firmer if applied regularly. It balances the skin pH balance and also shrinks your pores. So that's all I do. I take potato, you can even grate it if rubbing it on your skin aggravates any problem, or if you're a sensitive skin type. All I do that, I take it and I just kind of rub it into my skin really well. I don't bring it on my eyes. This also helps you remove dead skin. And this is very good for women with very oily skin. It will reduce your oiliness very well. Now, that's not the case with me. However, it also restores the skin pH balance, which I think is absolutely brilliant. So after I've rubbed it all over my skin, I just let this be on it for about 15 minutes till it kind of dries up. And I'll do my regular things that I need to do before. It just takes about 10 to 15 minutes and will go 100% dry. So now it's dried up and I'm going to quickly wash my face. Another thing I swear by on the skin is apple cider vinegar. I don't only apply it on my skin, I drink it every single day as well. It contains alpha hydroxy acids which help restore the pH balance of the skin. It shrinks your pores. The goodness of the mother. So I mean, this one is unpasteurized and it's gluten free and it's organic, and that's very, very, very important, guys. It reduces your lines, it diminishes your age spots. Basically, it does everything good to the skin. But can I just apply directly to my skin? Of course not. So there you go. This is a spray bottle, an empty spray bottle in which I would add 1 portion of apple cider vinegar, and I've added 2 portions of water. Now I would ideally recommend that you need to put boiled water to it. If you can get your hands on distilled water, it'll be really good. I mean, especially if you're very, very sensitive skin or have very acne prone skin, I would recommend that you should have distilled water in it. So I just always I mix it. And then what I do is I kind of spray this over my face. I keep my eyes shut. And this is a brilliant toner for your skin. If at any point your skin burns after applying this, that means there is too much of apple cider vinegar and you need to dilute it a bit more with water. And I just wash my face after that. And I'm just going to apply the Indulgio Rose Gold Oil on my face, and there you go. The skin feels absolutely refreshed and brilliant. So I hope you like these tips that I've just given you. If you try them, do let me know. If you ever have it on your face, you can always tag me on Instagram or wherever you do these stories, and I'll be so happy to see that you're benefiting out of it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now.